Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use Zelle to send and receive money. Now, the first thing you need to do is open your banking app that you can use Zelle in. So there's a lot of banking apps that basically support Zelle. So for this example, I'm going to be using Bank of America. You come in here and type in your user ID and then log in, okay? Now, once you've logged in, come here, tap on Pay and Transfer to get started. Click here on Zelle. Okay, tap on Zelle, and then you can tap here on Pay or Request. So I'll tap on Pay, and I'll show you right here. By the way, if you're not enrolled to Zelle, you'll basically see a screen for setup. You can tap on Setup Zelle, follow the prompts. Now I'll click here and add a new person or company, okay, and choose who you are adding. So you're either adding a person or a business. So I'll choose person, tap on Next, and then they'll basically ask you how you're adding them. So by mobile number or email, this is the easiest. Choose that, click on next. And then you just need to enter their information right here, or you can add them from your contacts. I'll just put in their information, click on next. And then you can come here and review your recipient and then just click on add recipient, okay? Now just confirm the contact information, click here on okay. And now when you're going to pay, you can actually choose them. So choose them, okay? And then come here and click on next after you basically selected how much you want to send and where you're sending from. In this case, it's your checking account. If you want to change this, you can just click here and change. And of course, you can change the amount, but just come here, click on next. Okay. And this will show you everything. If you want to make the payment recurring, you can toggle this on. But otherwise, just come here, click on next. You can choose a payment date. Okay. And then click on next. And if you want to add a message, you can do that as well. Type in a message. Come here, click on next, and you're basically going to be getting this pop-up whether or not you want to authorize this payment, because this is someone new that you've just added. Then just come and click on OK, and you can scroll down and schedule this payment. As you can see, the payment has now been scheduled. Okay, and it's truly that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix. And I can just tap on done. Okay.